Good afternoon, class. As you can see, I'm showing you North America physical map, okay, because I'm going to explain you about the Western Cordilleras. We all know in North America we have different physical features. Main four physical features which we have, that is the Western Cordilleras. You can check these mountain ranges, brown color, they are Western Cordilleras. Okay, then we have Appalachian Mountains. Okay, you can check eastern side. Western side we have Western Cordilleras, eastern side we have Appalachian Mountains. Okay, so first division is Western Cordillera, second division is Appalachian Mountains, third division is Great Plains. You can check, it is written here Great Plains. So this is third physical feature, which is Great Plains of North America. And fourth is Canadian Shield. Okay, fourth is Canadian Shield, in which this whole area, you can check, it is written Canadian Shield. So this whole area comes in a category of Canadian Shield area. Okay, so these are the main four physical features of North America. That is, western side is a Western Cordillera, eastern side is the Appalachian Mountains, center part we have Great Plains, and extreme northern part we have Canadian Shield. So these are the main four physical features of North America. Now today we are going to discuss about this part, Western Cordillera. First physical feature which we have, that is Western Cordillera. I hope it is visible. Okay, so let's start. A Western Cordillera is a chain of parallel mountain ranges. You can check here. All these brown arc. These are the mountains and their ranges. So Western Cordillera is a chain of parallel mountain ranges. You can check that these are parallel to each other, one after other. They are not crossing each other, they are not cutting each other, they are parallel to each other. The Western Cordillera run along the western side of the North America. So of course this is east, and this is west. So Western Cordillera run along the western side of the North America from Alaska to Panama. From Alaska, here we have Alaska. If you want to check the political map, you can check here we have Alaska. Okay, so Western Cordillera, the main extent of Western Cordillera is from Alaska to Panama. Somewhere we have here. Okay, somewhere we have here Panama. So this is the extent from Alaska north to south Panama. Okay, this is the extent of Western Cordillera. Now next is, these ranges of Youngfold Mountain extend over about 6,500 kilometers. So their main extent from north to south is 6,500 kilometers. The Rocky Mountains are the easternmost and most prominent ranges in the Western Cordillera. So you can check here, we have Rocky Mountains here. Okay, so in Western Cordillera we have different mountain ranges, in which extreme eastern side of the Western Cordillera, which mountain range we have? Rocky Mountains are there. Okay, they are the most prominent ranges in the Western Cordilleras. Some of the other ranges, there are many other mountain ranges, you can check here. Some of the other mountain ranges are Alaska Range, you can check here, extreme northern Alaska Range. Then we have Coast Range, Coast Mountains. Then we have Cascade Range, you can check here Cascade Range. Then we have Coast Range. Then we have Coast Range, you can check, it is written here Coast Range. Okay, the Sierra Nevada. Okay, Coast Range, Sierra Nevada. Then we have Sierra Madre. Okay, so these are the ranges which we have. Okay, easternmost part of the Western Cordillera we have Rocky Mountains. From north to south we have many mountain ranges. In north, Alaska Range, then Coast Range, then Cascade Range, then Coast Ranges, Sierra Nevada and Sierra Madre. So these are the mountain ranges which we have. Okay, Sierra Coast Range is this, and Sierra Nevada is this, and Sierra Madre is this. So they are in continuous, they are in chain. Okay, they are continuous chain, but yes, they are not continuous, they are broken in between. Okay, so they are in a kind of chain. Okay, one after other. Now next is the Rocky so this is all about mountain ranges and their main location. Now the desert of North America lie between the ranges of Western Cordilleras. Among these ranges, Mojave and Sonoran deserts are there. So these are the mountain ranges of Western Cordillera. Here we have two deserts. I have marked, it is not marked in your map, so I have marked with a pencil. One desert, this is known as, this part is known as Sonoran Desert. I have written here, this is the part of Colorado Desert. Okay, the Colorado Plateau you can say. Okay, so Sonoran Desert is somewhere here, Mojave Desert is somewhere above the Sonoran Desert. Okay, so in between these mountain ranges in Western Cordillera, we have two deserts. Okay, they are known as Mojave and Sonoran Desert. I hope it is clear. Mojave and Sonoran Desert near the Colorado Plateau, you can check here. Okay.